Welcome back to FixTech Lab. In this tutorial, we're replacing a damaged display connector on a smartphone motherboard using professional microsoldering techniques. The work area is inspected first to identify the connector and check the condition of the surrounding solder joints before starting the repair. Flux is applied around the display connector. This improves heat transfer and allows the solder to melt evenly while protecting the PCB pads. Controlled hot air is applied across the connector. The heat is distributed evenly to avoid damaging nearby components during removal. The connector is gently lifted once the solder has fully melted. It's important not to pull the connector before it is completely free. Now the remaining solder is cleaned from the PCB pads. A smooth and even surface is essential before installing the replacement connector. The technician continues preparing the pads, making sure there are no solder bridges or leftover residue that could affect the new installation. The replacement display connector is carefully positioned over the PCB. Accurate alignment is critical because every pin must sit exactly on its matching pad. The connector is adjusted slowly until all sides are perfectly aligned. Taking extra time here helps prevent alignment problems later. With the connector in the correct position, soldering begins to secure it firmly to the motherboard. The remaining pins are soldered carefully under the microscope to ensure every connection is clean and reliable. Finally, the completed work is inspected from different angles to confirm proper alignment and clean solder joints. The display connector replacement is now complete.